Hello again, Todd Clemens, Okeechobee Livestock Market, and here's your weekly market report. We're standing outside today in front of the sign outside. It's a beautiful day here in Okeechobee. It's more like summertime than it is spring. But anyway, there was a dead rat in the ceiling over my office, and I couldn't hardly stand to go back there, so we came outside. Man, what a week we've had this week. Restaurants are closed. It's a ghost town around a lot of places. We had to close a restaurant here at the market for takeout only. Health department's going around checking on things like that, so we didn't have very many people here. We had a few cows, well actually a lot of cows and bulls. The calf numbers were down. I think we ended up with about 1,000 head for the week between Monday and Tuesday. Man, those cow prices are high. Cows and bulls sold good. We had a lot of cows bring 80 cents. We had a few bulls bring over $1 a pound, which was great. And boy, people are stocking up on hamburger. And we hear, it's just hard to find meat in the grocery stores, and I guess the chicken goes first and then the hamburger next, and the last thing that's left would be the prime ribs or the higher end cutouts. But anyway, the market is coming back here. Cows and bulls are good. Calves are even higher. Not that we had that many of them, but it sure looked like demand for calves are even higher. The stock market rebounded, record high movement yesterday. Cattle futures are higher. Fat cattle are trading back to where they almost were before this coronavirus thing took off. So a lot of positive things are happening. The $2 trillion stimulus package that passed, there's $9.5 billion of that going to the USDA, and maybe it'll trickle down to local farmers and ranchers and get put back into the economy that needs it really desperately. It's just a lot of things. Stimulus package for the economy, a lot of positive things that hopefully we'll get back on track. Like President Trump said, this country wasn't built to be shut down, and we're going to get back, and hopefully things will be back to normal around Easter. New York City's the epicenter of the coronavirus. 55,000 cases in the country, and I think 25,000 of them are in New York City. So y'all stay up there, don't come down here. If you're from New York down here, go home. And we just want to be safe and be healthy here. We hear that Beijing is opening back up. There was reporters saying that they were in the cafe in Beijing. There's traffic going down the roads, and they're getting back to normal. So that's good for us too, that China's coming back on. People are going to be out. They're going to want to eat. They're going to want to go to work. And so maybe the export deals we had worked out with China will start coming into play. So as negative as things have been, it seems to be a little bit more optimistic and more positive this week. We did have some high prices, and on the cow side it was extremely high. We had several cows, like I said, bring $80 or better, and Danny Candler, way to go Danny, right here in Okeechobee, had a cow weighed 1,365 pounds. She brought 84 cents. He also had a cow weighed 1,420 that brought 83.50. So two really high priced cows. And on the calf side, Clay Jowers from St. Cloud had a 275 pound calf bring $1.98. That's your market report. Thank you.